Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you the new tourist spot here in Vaitogi, American Samoa, part of Turtle and Shark. The Tale of the Turtle and the Shark, a Samoan legend. According to Polynesian Cultural Center, Samoans tell the story of an old blind woman, named Fonuo, of Salaga, Savai'i, Western Samoa. She had one child, a dear girl named Salofa. One year villages near her home suffered the effects of a great famine. Because of her blindness, Fonuo was not able to find food. After many days of intense hunger, she and her daughter smelled the wonderful aroma of soi as it baked in the ground ovens of the village. Fono and Salofa waited for food to be brought by villagers, but it never arrived. The woman and her daughter were so desperate, they decided to cast their fate upon the sea. The mother took her child by the hand and together they jumped off the cliff into the surf below. As they swam to the surface, their bodies transformed. One became a turtle and the other a shark. They swam away from the villagers who did not care for them. When they arrived in Vaitogi, a village in American Samoa, they resumed their human forms. They were welcomed with food and clothing by Chief Letuli and his people. The two women were so appreciative of the chief's tender care that they vowed to return to the ocean to live just beyond the cliffs, returning when called upon to dance and entertain the villagers. They left a beautiful song with the Samoans that could be used when the shark or turtle were needed. Today, when villagers gather along the shore of that legendary site and sing the sweet melody, it is said that a turtle and a shark appear. This is the short story of the turtle and the shark here in American Samoa. Now you can enjoy the view of the new build tourist spot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you are always updated in our new video. God bless everyone, and see you next time.